Back to raise some eyebrows, they're probably drawn on. Everything is fake, you're a plastic flaunt off. Surgery or steroids, two options that are most common now. So if you're normal, yeah, you're in the out crowd. Hence that's why it's time to staunch on with my lyrical delivery. The words are on the way, like the meat lovers pizza that made it to me. My appetite for beef just grew ×3. Stay calm and release fire through these beats. The main goal in life is your tally of likes. Put your tits away, watch it all minimize. Yeah, like I'm zoomed out, so you're all doomed now. Put my finger on the trigger and I'm shooting off my mouth. When the ammo runs out, take a deep breath now. Reload and let it go, yeah, I'm calling out you hoes. Ha, none special, you're none special, yeah, you're none special, and we all know that. Girls are walking around, yeah, like they're hot shit. You're a walking mud crab with dick-sucking lips. I bet you've lost count of how many zips you have unzipped. I'm literally flabbergasted at the fact of what has happened. I blame all you fellas, cause you got to fighting over pussy girls. They found a way to make us jealous. They all want the one that's entered into a beauty pageant. At least that's how she dressed, but I guarantee you now the stereotype of girl is a car crash, just one big mess. And I don't mean no malice to the females of this generation. Wait, I mean I do. Am I waiting for a miracle to find one that broke the cycle? I don't have a clue. Is that even possible when they're set in pedestals higher than the polyvinyl that is just under your roof? You're a party animal, bitch, get back in your zoo. Ha, you're none special, you're a whale. You're a whale, and you like to humpback. I got a question now, what's the causes of this foul mouth play guys use once they've had a couple drinks? I'd be scared to go out too if I was a female getting sexually abused. Conclusion in my head, clubs are a playground with alcohol and sand, and the sand castles are made for girls to live in by the big spending fools till they're left with nothing but a thought wondering what the hell has happened. So you can see why I'm a little hesitant, cause I can read all the signs and it's easy evidence to give in the court of state. Any girl that tries to use me, what a bad mistake. It's a lack of good skill. To the bench, make your way if it isn't visible. What I'm trying to orchestrate, a winning formula at that, in which nobody wants to play. You better tell them all I'm back. Go be sure to lubricate the lyrics, penetrate through hate.